We had a killing frost last night down to 28 degrees. Killed off my tomato plants, peppers, eggplant. With this, I don't have time to harvest it right now, so I'm covering this plant to protect it. You can see it's still green, still alive, so I'm going to cover it to keep it safe. Here's an example of a plant that didn't survive. This is a pineapple sage. It's got pretty red flowers, and I didn't cover the whole thing, so you can see this is all pretty much dead, but there is a section that did get covered, and you can see nice green leaves. It's still in good shape, so it does definitely make a difference. As you can see, I lift this towel off. With just a towel on here, it made enough difference to keep the leaves green versus brown and dead. We use towels, sheets, blankets, anything covering it is going to make a difference. As you can see, you've got green leaves here that were covered, dead leaves here that were not.